From from where?
Ha?
Where did they got this?
Ano pa dahil ano?
Mexico?
Big burger ata.
This is fresh from Mexico. What do you call this? You're not in the frame lang.
Eh, mantik sabi eh. Pero sabi niya, sampalok dahil.
Sabi mo
Maharap.
maanghang.
Medyo may pagka-spicy na.
No? Parang tahin. It's like some palok with tahin.
Kaban di bobod-bod na.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yun, sabi niya nga.
Oh,
Or I will give it to you, your girlfriend. Manghang.
oh, that's so sweet of you. This is from his tito. I don't think this is sampalok.
Palok yan. Tig ano na kaya yan? Tig tad na. Giniling na.